So guys, this is the review for the Air Jordan 1 low reverse band. Even though the colorway is different, but the Jumpman logo on the top of the box, the 23 branding on the right. So it's Air Jordan 1 low, gym red, black and white. The size is UK 10.5, but you will see why Air Jordan 1s are like you need to get them in a higher size. It's based on your preference as to how you would like to wear them, but still I'm UK 8.5, but I ordered a larger size. So let's have a look at the shoe, the reverse band in low. Like I can compare it to the other Air Jordan 1 low SE, which I have already reviewed. However, like I feel you need to see it to see the difference between the SE and the normal Air Jordan 1 low. Like in many people's opinion, both of these shoes are like riding the wave of the Air Jordan 1 high and mids, because they both were like not worn by Michael Jordan himself, but it's with the same brand. So of course, like the sale and the whole marketing campaign revolves around Michael Jordan, so the Jordan brand itself. So they're just riding its wave. So they recently got started the hype, and previously like the high and the OGs were the main ones, so people would always go and buy them. But over here you can see that I am still getting the shoe because I stored it in a safe box. So I'm getting it back. Yep, here I am. So the Air Jordan 1 low SE, I'm gonna compare it with another one similar to this, but that's for another video because I'm comparing it with the Air Force 1. So let's take the shoe out of the box. Yep, here you go. You can see the Air Jordan branding on the shoe and the Air Jordan 1 low. My first Air Jordan 1 low, like if you don't count the SE, and the only one. Like I'm not gonna get any other ones because this is more than enough. So you can see the color, the vibrant red color all across. To be honest, I'm not a fan of black on Air Jordan 1s, but if the whole black thing, okay, yeah, this is the major difference between the Air Jordan 1 low and the Air Jordan 1 SE. Like let me show you. Yeah, here you go. So you see on the left the SE one, there is many differences in the heels, and you can see the 23 number tag on this. Other than that, everything is same. You can see the size difference, like the other one is in UK 9, UK 8.5, but this one is in UK 9, I guess. Let me see, I don't know, I don't remember. Okay, that's fine. So here is the shoe, the other pair. Let me take it out. Yeah, I get very careful. I deal with my shoe very carefully. Like I try not to ruin or crease it. Okay, yeah, I made the mistake over there. Okay, that's fine. So this is the Air Jordan 1 low reverse band. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and like the video as well. Like it helps. Like I only have 13 subscribers, but still, yeah, why not? So let me do the on-feet review, and here we are. So you can see they fit perfectly, like perfectly. If you get a size up, 1.5 or 2 size up, it doesn't matter, because the fitting of the midsole and the whole shoe is like quite thin. It's not a bulgy one like an Air Force 1 that you need to get the exact size, because I got an 8.5 in Air Force 1 and it's feels like really loose, but you can see like it's different way if you want to wear it. So you can see, and if my mom is watching this, I'm wearing the socks inside, don't worry about it. Don't yell at me. Okay, so yeah, here you go, the Air Jordan 1 Low reverse band, of course, with the stitching of Air Jordan logo. And this is the only difference between the SE Low versus even the mids or the high tops. So these are incredibly comfortable shoes. Even their size up, they fit perfectly and ideally, so no issues there. And again, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.